I want to know, Miss Brown, when the first accident was when you claimed that your friend damaged your 2002 Subaru Outback.
I don't know the exact date that the car broke down on. I know that it was taken to the repair shop on the 19th of December 2011.
I'm not entertaining that case.
Okay.
It's old.
Can I explain why it's
No.
not been able to be brought up until now?
Have you been in the military for the last 3 years?
No.
During the entire 3-year period, have you been incarcerated?
Yes.
From when to when?
May 25th of 2013 to July 15th of
So you
2000.
were not incarcerated since 2011.
No.
Then there's no reason that your lawsuit wasn't brought in a timely fashion. That case, anyway, even if I were to waste my time and take testimony about it, involves her using a car of yours
Yes.
3.5 years ago and the engine blowing. So you want her to be responsible for that.
Yes, I do.
It's
Yes, I
not
do.
happening. Now, after she got out of jail, which was when?
July 15th,
Of what year?
2014.
You reconnected and went out as friends, right?
Yes.
And again, you say, with you in the car, you asked her to drive the car
Yes.
because you had had too much to drink.
No, I made the plans prior to going out. I said I would like you to come with me and drive because I'm going to have a couple drinks.
Well, that's what I just said. Absolutely. And you say that when she was driving, at your request, when she was driving it, she scraped the side of the car.
Correct.
So you want her to pay for that damage.
Correct.
Tell me how it happened. Was it an accident?
I'm not assuming that she intended to drive into the curb, no.
Right.
Okay.
So it was an accident. That's what you have insurance for.
It was an accident that was done at her negligence because she did not pull out of the parking lot correctly.
You have a 2014 brand new car
Yes.
on which you clearly have insurance.
Yes, I do.
That's what insurance is for. You gave her permission to use your car. She used your car. According to you, with you in the car, she hit a curb and caused damage to your car. That's why you reported to your insurance company.
Okay, I feel like she is liable for that.
Well, you feel wrong. The case is dismissed. That's all. We're done.
Parties are excused. You may step out.